Hello and welcome to my 3-ball box tutorial. This is a very fun and visual trick. I suggest learning it because I do. Now, to learn this, it's very helpful to know 4-4-1, pretty solid, and synced 4-4-1. The synced 4-4-1, you're going to get a lot more out of this than you are from the async version. Because the synced is actually part of the box. I'll explain that in a little bit. So once you've learned the synced version of 4-4-1 and the async version, if you haven't already done that, I would practice this. Your sync throw, just like in the sync 4-4-1, and then pass it back. Pass the one that you passed over back to the hand. Practice on both sides. This is very key, and it's very annoying when you're first learning it. It's kind of difficult. I don't know why. It doesn't seem difficult. It doesn't look difficult once you learn it, but it just is. Once you've learned that, it's really not that hard to move on to the box. If you make sure that your throws aren't up or down, I don't know how you do it down, but I have a big problem with throwing up with it. I may still do it a little bit. I'm not sure. I'll know once I edit the video. But if you're having trouble with that, I would say work on your shower. That's a very helpful pattern with this. And with the shower, you can enter right into the box, or you can go right into the shower. So it's a helpful trick to be solid with. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is you need to throw one up from your dominant hand, and then the synced 1 and 4 over here. So it looks like this. And then stop and try it with the other hand. This is, it's not terribly tricky after you've learned this already. It's going to get tricky when you do this, when you pass it back and forth, which is what you're going to learn now. Which, after you've learned this, it shouldn't take too long. But the only tricky part is you're going from this, which is fairly easy, to this, which is a lot more difficult when you're learning. So you're going to throw one up, and then you're going to throw your sync throw across. But once this one is up in the air, the red ball for me, you're going to throw this purple one, well, my purple one, back here while this one goes up. So it's going to look like this. Practice this starting from both sides. It'll help you a lot. Now, once you've done this, which is not very easy, this took me a little while to get, you're basically you can do the box. From then on, it's just a matter of practicing it. I don't know many other tips for it. I would say the shower pattern both ways is very helpful, especially when you drop it on the floor. No, but the shower pattern in both ways is definitely very helpful for this pattern, and maybe switching back and forth between them. And it's a fun trick. You can do some fun stuff with it. So, good luck.